In this video, we'll explain how you can source and sell anything with TeespringGo. TeespringGo is the perfect solution for your fulfillment needs. We'll help you unlock the ability to sell whatever you want, and we'll handle all the logistics that come with selling products online. We offer two core services. You can use our fulfillment service if you already have inventory you want to sell, or you can use our sourcing and fulfillment service if you need help finding a trusted vendor to create and sell a totally custom product. So let's start with our fulfillment service. It's pretty straightforward. You've already done all the work to source your inventory, so now you just need someone to help you fulfill the orders and provide customer support too. To use this service, all you have to do is send us your inventory and we'll do the rest. We'll store your inventory at our warehouse. We'll create product mockups or photos if you need them. We'll also create the listing for you, and we'll fulfill all your orders, which includes shipping and delivery, and we'll take care of your customers too. So, how much does all of this cost? Well, our service fee is going to be added to the base cost of each product, and all remaining profit will go to you. So let's use an example to explain the profit margin that you'll make. Let's say you use Teespring's fulfillment service to sell CDs. You paid $5 per CD, and now you're selling them for $20 each. So $20 selling price minus the $5 base cost minus the $3 service fee, which is 15% of 20, that leaves you with $12 profit per CD. Essentially, if you're using TeespringGo's fulfillment service, all you have to do is send us your inventory, promote the Teespring listing to your audience, and then sit back and collect the profit. With TeespringGo's sourcing and fulfillment service, we'll work with you to design a totally custom product with one of our trusted vendors, and we'll fulfill your orders too. So once you approve the product prototype, you'll pay for the full inventory order and the products will be shipped to our facility. You'll get all the perks of our fulfillment service, which include inventory storage, listing creation, order fulfillment, and customer service. Just keep in mind, before we begin the sourcing process, our team requires an upfront deposit for this service that will later be deducted from the total inventory cost. And as with our fulfillment service, Teespring's fee is added to the base cost of each product and all remaining profit goes to you. So let's share an example of what your profit margin could be. For example, you source custom pins with Teespring for $1.40 each, and you sell them for $9 each. Teespring's fulfillment fee is $2 because 15% of $9 is below the $2 minimum. Therefore, $9, which is your selling price, minus $1.40, which is the base cost, minus $2, which is Teespring's service fee, equals $5.60 profit margin per pin. So in this scenario, you've just created and sourced a totally custom product, you don't have to deal with fulfillment logistics or customer support, and you're making a profit on each item sold. Sounds like a pretty solid setup if you ask us. So now that you know how Teespring can help you source and sell anything your heart desires, what are you waiting for? Visit teespring.com now to learn more about TeespringGo and some of our most popular source products like pins and plushies.